welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own smart device for accurate motion and zone detection in real time. Remember, you don't need any coding skills or programming knowledge to build this smart device. However, for the developers who would wish to advance this smart project, the GitHub link for the project is in the video description below. And if you would wish to learn or to know how to make such cool application, let's get in touch in the comment section below. Here is what you need for this smart device. You'll need a high-link LD2410C radar sensor, a Carenuity C3-Mini, an Oled display, and of course a triple adapter to avoid the hassles of wiring. After you've assembled your components, you'll need an access to the application through the solutions.carenuity.com. The link is in the video description below. Simply click on install and follow the highlighted procedures. Give it some time and the firmware will get installed into your microcontroller. Thereafter, an EP is created named zone detector. You can use your phone or your computer to connect to the access points. You will then open your web browser and type in the IP address that will enable you to access the configuration portal. Here you will need to enter your Wi-Fi credentials and an IP address of any device that you would wish to automate with this smart device. You can as well enter the zone number, assuming you have several devices of the same and you would wish to track each. Save the credentials and see the magic happens. This device will display presence state and the zone you entered in the configuration portal. In case of any presence detection, it will display yes on the screen, and it will also indicate the distance or how far the object is. In case there is no any presence, the device automatically displays no on the screen, indicating that there is no presence. If you found this DIY project interesting, please like, subscribe and share. For the developers who would wish to enhance such DIY project to suit your own application, please leave a comment and let's collaborate on how we can enhance such smart devices. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.